Hello, welcome back to my channel. This quick video of some updates on the car and some things that are going to be happening on my YouTube channel. First of all, the giveaway that I mentioned on the previous video last weekend is going to be this. You have seen it many times on the channel. It's what I had hanging on the wall. It's cloth, so you can wash it, you can hang it, and this is what the giveaway is going to be. Right there, guys. You go to that go to the video that I placed last weekend. Leave a comment as to where you're from. I need to know. You need to be a subscriber. I am going to be checking that you are a subscriber and where you're from. The next thing that's coming up, it's every Wednesday I'm going to be doing a new series that's going to be called Ask Pharraway. And what does that mean? You can ask me questions as to how to do things, body work, any type of work related regarding the paint and body. So it doesn't have to be just body work. It can be questions on tools that I use, anything, sandpapers, everything that has to do with what I do. I'll be answering the questions on Wednesdays. I'm going to be posting a little update every Monday or Tuesday, so that you can let those questions come in, and I'll be answering them on Wednesday. So just leave your questions on the video that I'm going to post on Mondays as to what you want to ask me, and we'll be doing the answers on Wednesday. Also, you can leave your questions on Instagram. I'll be looking at Instagram also. So this will be it. Also, I'm not going to be posting a video this weekend. Reason being, I have a family wedding that's going to be in El Paso. So I'll be heading down to El Paso for that wedding. So I'm not going to be able to post a video this weekend. But next weekend, there will be some videos coming. Another thing about me is that I have a little thing that came up with some carpal tunnel syndrome on both of my hands, guys. So I went to the doctor and they're thinking about doing some surgery or some injections. So I don't know as to how it's gonna be. So they did tell me to take it easy for a bit. So this trip to El Paso is gonna help. So just keep me on your prayers as to, I don't want to get the surgery. I'd rather take the injections and see how it goes. But yeah, I do have carpal tunnel. They've been active for at least a couple of years, and it's getting worse. So I'm trying to not get a surgery. They say it's no good to get surgery on that. So I just need your prayers so that everything turns out good. So this is gonna be it, guys. Also, remember, share the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you like my content as to what I do regarding painting and all that. Subscribe. I have a lot of stuff that it's going to be coming soon. I also have other cars coming soon. So just let's continue, and this will be it. All right. Thank you, guys. Like always, stay safe and God bless.